Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. What a beautiful day to come look at some Harris boats. This is a Harris Grand Mariner 250. Come on aboard, I want to show you some of the great features. Welcome aboard the Harris 250 Grand Mariner. One thing about this boat, we talk about the luxury, the soft, beautiful furniture, but I also want to point out a couple really cool storage features. Right here on the side of both of these chaise lounge, they have a basket type storage with a small pocket that you can put your cell phones and stuff in. Really makes it handy to store your things when you're out on the water. So here in the cockpit of the Harris Grand Mariner 250, standing underneath this awesome Bimini on this power tower that's actually lighted and has tower speakers. This is a SL layout, so it has this rearward facing chaise lounge with armrests, cup holders beside. Makes a great place to relax, watch the action going on behind the boat. Here in the captain's chair, access to twin Simrad screens, JL head unit, awesome tilt wheel and digital throttle and shift on the raised helm. Makes it really easy to control the boat. So I want you to check out the nice relaxing space on the back of this boat. Kick back, watch the guys wakeboarding, swimming behind the boat. You've got access to 3 massive cup holders here. You've got a transom stereo remote there, some plug-ins. Under this seat here, got a built-in cooler that drains overboard. And under these two, you got access to storage that passes all the way through to the front. Gives you plenty of space to keep all your things and your drinks for a great day on the water.